Every summer, millions of homeowners watch their lawn go brown and reach for the hose. But that grass isn't dying. It's executing one of nature's most elegant survival strategies, and your rescue might be the very thing that kills it. July arrives, and with it, a creeping anxiety. A suburban lawn, once a vibrant green pride, suddenly shifts to a brittle, dusty straw. Panic sets in. To the untrained eye, this is a graveyard, a sudden, devastating death right on the doorstep. Homeowners scramble, dragging heavy hoses across parched earth and dumping expensive fertilizers and quick-fix chemical green-ups in a desperate rescue mission. Some even look at the scorched turf and begin pricing out total sod replacement. But this frantic battle against the brown ignores a fundamental truth, and here is where it gets even more remarkable. The brown grass has entered dormancy, an elegant, protective shutdown refined over millions of years of evolutionary history. When summer heat pushes soil temperatures past 85 degrees Fahrenheit and moisture drops below a critical threshold, the grass plant makes a dramatic calculation. It stops growing and allows its green blades to wither into straw. This browning is a sophisticated shield, a biological decision to divert precious resources away from the vulnerable leaves and concentrate them entirely on the crown. Resting right at the soil line, the crown is the living, beating heart of the grass. Within this compact, vital core, the plant keeps its growing points alive. Even when the surface looks completely scorched and dead, this hidden crown can survive 3 to 4 weeks of absolute drought, waiting patiently for the environment to change. It is a state of suspended animation, a masterclass in natural resilience operating right beneath our feet. But the story doesn't end there. For homeowners facing a straw-like lawn, the immediate instinct is to flood it with water. It feels like an act of mercy. Yet, this emergency watering during peak dormancy is actually a wasted effort, because the grass is not in any real danger. Intervening now does far more harm than good. When you apply light, frequent moisture to a dormant lawn, you teach the roots a dangerous lesson. Instead of reaching deep into the earth for moisture, the roots remain shallow, waiting for the next easy drink. This leaves the plant incredibly vulnerable. Worse, keeping a stressed canopy constantly wet creates the perfect breeding ground for destructive fungal diseases. Pathogens like dollar spot and summer patch thrive in these warm, damp conditions, attacking the grass when its defenses are low. Homeowners end up spending fortunes chasing a problem the plant was already managing perfectly on its own. And here is where the danger deepens, because another, far more destructive human habit is waiting to strike. A roaring machine rolls across the brittle, quiet turf. To many, a dormant lawn looks like it simply needs a quick trim to tidy up the straw-colored canopy. But this routine chore is the true silent killer of summer grass. Lawnmowers operating over a stressed, sleeping lawn inflict severe mechanical injury at the soil line. Heavy wheels and high-speed metal blades exert massive downward pressure. Without a thick green cushion of active growth to absorb the shock, this weight directly crushes the delicate, vulnerable crowns underneath. A single low pass can instantly rupture the vital growing cells at the heart of the plant. In a fraction of a second, a temporary, highly evolved survival phase is transformed into permanent, irreversible death. And here is where it gets even more remarkable. Allowing this brown phase to run its natural course actually forces the grass to build a far stronger, more extensive root system than any artificially maintained green lawn. It is a stunning biological upgrade. To assist this natural defense, we only need to adjust our summer routine. Keeping the grass height at 3.5 to 4 inches tall acts as a protective shield, lowering the soil temperature by up to 10 degrees. This taller canopy slows down vital moisture loss by 30%. Even the discarded clippings left on the ground serve as a natural mulch, returning essential nitrogen directly back into the earth. Applying a thin layer of organic compost along the lawn edges feeds the silent allies waiting below. This simple nourishment fuels beneficial soil microorganisms, keeping the root zone active beneath the dry, dusty surface. What happens next surprised even experienced horticulturists. The autumn rain does not rescue a dead lawn. it reveals what was preserved all along. Within 7 to 14 days, those sleeping crowns surge back to life. Without any chemical intervention, a brilliant green carpet returns, proving that nature's patient survival strategy was working perfectly from the very start. How does your lawn look today? Will you ever see that quiet, golden survival the same way again? Subscribe for more secrets hidden in plain sight.